This Shopify 3D video intro went viral and brands paid thousands to make videos like this. And this is the AI generated version I recreated in 5 minutes using Seedance 2.0. It's almost identical and with nearly zero effort. You can change the product, change the car, even replace it with an airplane if you want to. In this video, I'm showing you the exact workflow to clone any high-end 3D intro video for your own Shopify store. You've probably seen these 3D video intros all over TikTok. A lot of streetwear brands use them to stand out, but it's not just streetwear. Tech gadgets, cars, even luxury themed stores are using videos like this. And it's not just small Shopify stores, big brands use the same idea in a different form. Instead of video intros, they use video banners. Skims does it, Oakley does it, they all use cinematic visuals to create that high-end premium feel. And that's why this is so powerful, because now using AI you can recreate the same premium experience in minutes. You just need a product photo and a reference video and you're done. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not just about copying. I also created this entire video banner from scratch using only prompts and product images. So you're not just copying big brands, you're taking what works and making it yours. So stick around because I'm going to show you my full workflow. You learn how to recreate any 3D intro, how to generate your own video banner from scratch, and how to add it to your Shopify store with no coding and minimal impact on speed using my custom method. And by the end, you'll have something that looks like it came from a brand like Oakley without having to spend thousands to get it. Alright, let's start with cloning a viral 3D Shopify video intro. I researched online to find a Shopify store using this kind of 3D intro. I found one that people kept asking how to recreate, and that's what inspired this video. I downloaded the video intro and rebuilt it using the new Seedance 2.0 model. This model generates videos using a reference video, your product photos, and prompts. You can combine text, images, video clips, even audio to guide motion, style, and the overall feel, which gives you way more control over the final result. This model is new and it's already popular because it creates much more accurate videos and even multi-scene content, and you can find it inside Topview. In Topview, go to a new board. Before creating the video, you will need product images. Let's say I'm selling this liquid dead still water, just to show you how easy it is to apply this to any product. I screenshotted the parts of the video where the product is revealed. Then I used Nano Banana inside Topview to swap the logo and replace the product with the liquid death cans. And these are the images I got. They are perfect for what I need. And now I'm going to create the video. So I'm going to go to Video, select Omni Reference Seedance. Make sure Seedance Standard is selected. It's better than Fast Mode. Upload your reference video and your product images. Choose your aspect ratio, duration, and resolution. You can always upscale later, then hit generate. And this is what Seedance generated. Same video, same motion, just swapped with my product. Before, this would take weeks in Blender or thousands on a production team. Now it just takes minutes. And if you want to swap the car for something more luxurious like this, just go back to your board, select Image Edit, and ask it to replace the car. Upload a reference image for the new car, and once all the reference images are ready, generate the video. Now, cloning is great for speed, but if you want to build a brand that people actually recognize, you need an original aesthetic. Here's how I build a custom moon landing aesthetic campaign for a brand from scratch. Let's say I have this clothing brand store and I want a cinematic video banner similar to this Oakley one, moon landing high fashion aesthetic. So I downloaded photos from the Oakley collection, then I used Nano Banana to put my clothes on the models. I got these photos, which are exactly what I need. You can also change the models to match your brand if you want. Then I used ChatGPT to generate a prompt for Seedance. You don't need to copy my prompt, just describe your idea and let the AI generate it for you. But if you want the exact prompts I use in this video, leave a comment and I'll send you the prompt guide. Then I went back to Topview and chose this time the video agent option. Make sure to select video agent V2 Seedance, which is best for long form videos. Paste your prompt and upload reference images or videos. You have the option of selecting standard or fast. I always use the standard one for better results. Choose the aspect ratio and the duration of the video, and then I hit generate. And this is what came out. Look at the details, the close shots, the materials. It looks like a real production. And it's very close to the Oakley style video we used as inspiration. This is exactly what I needed. For mobile, it's the same process, just switch to 9:16 when generating the video. Now let me show you how to add the videos we generated inside your Shopify store. This is a custom section that adds a video intro like the one you just saw to any Shopify theme. I built it myself and you will find the link in the description. If you're worried about page speed, don't be. I built it with performance in mind. It automatically detects the visitor's internet connection and it only loads the video for people who have a fast enough connection. Everyone else sees the page without it. Once you download the code, you will have the instructions right there. Start by going to your Shopify admin, open the online store section, find the theme you want to add this to, and click Edit Code. Once you're in the code editor, look for the snippets folder on the left side. Right-click on it, choose New File, and name it videointro.liquid. Hit Enter to confirm. Now paste the snippet code inside that file and save. Now find the theme.liquid file and open it. Find the closing head tag and just before it, paste this line and save. Next, press Command+P on Mac or Control+P on Windows to open the file search. Look for settings_schema.json and open it. At the very beginning of the file, you'll see the theme details wrapped in curly brackets. Right after the first closing curly bracket, paste the settings code and then save. Now go back to your theme and click Customize. Inside the customizer, go to Settings and you'll see a new tab called Video Intro at the top. Open it, upload your video files for desktop and mobile, add the audio file, and adjust the settings to your liking. Before you upload, make sure your files match these specs. For desktop, use a 1920 by 1080 pixels video. For mobile, 1080 by 1920 pixels. Keep both as MP4 files and compress them as much as you can without the quality looking bad. For audio, use an MP3 file, also compressed. My intro video is 5 seconds long, but you can have yours shorter or longer. As a reference, the video files in the example were around 3 megabytes each and the audio was 100 kilobytes. The smaller the files, the better for user experience. Now your store doesn't just look good, now it looks premium, and that changes how people perceive your brand. If you want to take it further and increase the conversion rate of your Shopify store, I share the lessons I've learned from analyzing over 100 product pages in this video. Click it and I'll see you there.